My story time, I attracted to live in Singapore. So I will start from the beginning. When I was 18 years old, I had the opportunity to go outside from my country, Colombia. And I had the opportunity to travel around the world. So because of that, I have been in a few countries. One of those is Singapore. When I came here for the first time, I fell in love with this beautiful country. After that, I went to my country and I lived there for around 4 years. And during those 4 years, I was all the time dreaming to live here. I didn't know how it was going to happen. I just believed that it was going to happen. For me, the law of attraction can be called as well fate. For me, fate is the same as law of attraction. What I mean is, the law of attraction is when you want this or that and you know that this will happen. When you have faith, is the same. You know that that thing that you want, that dream, that goal that you want, it will become true. Of course, this is not too easy. This is why the law of attraction or fate doesn't work for everyone in this world. Because this is so simple. If you believe it, it will happen. It will work in yourself. It will work in your life. However, if you don't believe it, it will not happen. It will be not true for you. It's really simple. Anyways, even though I believe in this since I was teenager, there was moments that I felt very sad, that I felt that my dream was not going to be true, that I wanted to give up, that I say no, this will never happen, because I was waiting for that during 3 or 4 years, around that, more or less. I remember that during that time that I was dreaming to live here, that I was working with visualizations and praise, feeling that was going to be true. I remember that sometimes it was hard, because when the time pass and you don't get what you want, it can make you feel frustrated. It can make you feel like that won't happen. And I tell you, there is nothing wrong to have these feelings. The thing is, when you have that feelings, immediately you have to change your mind and say no, it will happen. Actually, the secret is you need to do visualizations every day. You need to be grateful and feel that you already have that, and then it will just come to you. I decided to share this story time with you because I believe that it's very important for us to share with others all the blessings that we have, all the dreams that became true, all the difficult times that we had to pass through to get this or that. Because if God bless me and make my dream become true, if the law of attraction work for me, it can also work for you. And if we believe that we have this power inside us, in your heart, in your mind, believe me, it will work for you too. Important thing is that when you dream, when you make visualization about anything you want, you need to feel it with your heart, because emotions are very important. The law of attraction work together with emotions. It's not just close your eyes and try to imagine the things very clear. It's not just to say I want this, I want that, and I have faith that it will be. No, you need to feel it. You need to feel with your heart that what you are asking for is already in your hands. And remember, it doesn't matter how, when, and where. You just leave it this for God, for the universe, up to you. But have faith and believe, and don't stop dreaming. It takes time, because the time of God is perfect. So you don't hurry up. Just relax and believe that you can attract anything you want. Remember, it is in your hands if you want to believe it or no. Simple. If you decide to start to work with this powerful law, remember that the first rule for this law to work, that whenever you are thinking about that, you need to feel that this thing that you want is real. You need to feel with your heart, with emotions. As more emotions you feel when you think about that, it will work faster, because this means that your faith is strong enough to make it real, to make it happen. The second rule is that you need to start from now to say thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Just thank you because I get this or that. Be grateful and live every single day as you already get what you want. Alright, God bless you. I wish you the best. Work hard to get what you want. Never stop dreaming. Subscribe and share this video with your loved one. Bye. Until next time.
And I love you. Te amo. Bye bye.